Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to record video while taking photo in Canon Mirrorless Camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Canon Mirrorless Camera. So right now I'm using a Canon M50 Mark II mirrorless camera. So if you're having other Canon mirrorless camera, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, just turn on your camera. And now just place this icon to this marking line just by rotating it. So now you can see here the hybrid auto option. Now click on OK. Now let us try to take a picture and let's check whether it record video while taking photo or not. So let me press the shutter button. So here you can see I'm pressing the shutter button, not the record button. So let me try to click the photo of this. So I've taken a photo. Now let us check if it has record video as well or not. So let me click on this icon. So this is the photo which I have taken. Now just press this left side of this button. You can see here this is a video. So let us try to play. So you can see it has taken a video as well, and this is the photo which you have taken. So using this inbuilt option named as hybrid auto, you can easily record video while taking photo in Canon mirrorless camera very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.